Friends, we welcome you to the Hindi class. Let's go ahead and get started on learning how to read and write the Hindi uh, letters, which are also called Devanagari script. Now, what you see on screen is the series of vowels. Now, vowels comes first in Hindi. Comes first, then they're followed by the consonants. So, if you look up things in dictionary, you need to know the order of the vowels and then the order of the consonants, and that's how words appear. So here we are looking at in the vowels. Let's first learn the first vowel, a, as in the word alert. A. And it's important that you know this because this is the default sound of all the consonants, and we'll get into that more. But this is found as in the word acha, as you see here. Acha. It means good. If somebody asks you how you doing, you can say मैं अच्छा हूँ. So acha. So it's a short a sound, and you don't open your mouth all the way, just like in the letter alert or word alert. A is a very short, and your jaw is a little bit closed. Okay, now that we have covered this default a, let's quickly look at what the consonants look like. And we have here the consonants. Here are all the consonants of the Hindi language. And what we're going to do is going to look at the first consonant, which is ka. Now, as you look at the consonants, we need to keep some things in mind. First of all, the Devanagari script, the consonants, they don't have special names like in English, like K or J, but are known simply by the sounds they represent, followed by the vowel A, which we just learned as the default vowel. So this sound of A is present in every consonant unless it is replaced by a different vowel, and we'll see how that will be done by dependent vowels, is what is called. So this A is called the inherent vowel that are present in every consonant. And then the script is arranged in a logical sequence with characters of similar sound being grouped together. And we will consider that more when we look at the consonants. But first, what I want you to do is learn just the first consonant, and that is ka. And that's important because that's it's going to be used as an example for all the vowels and how to add the vowel to a consonant. So let's learn this alphabet of the consonants, ka, and it sounds like the ka in skin. Now notice this ka has no aspirations to it. Usually when you say K, it's actually KH sound. There's the aspiration in there, but in ka there is no aspiration at all. Think of the word check. At the end is ka in the word check, and there is no H after that. So it's ka. Ka. So say that with me. Ka. 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 Let's. Why don't you practice writing it now at least 5 times? Look how it is written. There's a line that goes up and down after you do that little squiggly curve as you start off with. Then on the top is what you have is called a matra, and that basically you do that matra right on top of your line that you're writing on your ruled paper. So hopefully you're following along with your ruled paper, and so you can go ahead and stop the video and practice writing ka several times, at least 5-10 times until you get good at it. Let's see how it's again drawn. So you can do it like that. You can also do it this way. You can first draw this line down first, then you can start up like that, and you're doing like a sidewise 8 starting off, and then you kind of leaving it off right over there. That's another way of doing it. Actually, that's the way I prefer to do it, but whatever works for you. Look at how they do it here. If that works for you, go ahead and just do it like that. Or you can have the line go up and down like that, and then this a sidewise 8 that stops in the middle like that. Okay, so that's ka. Now we're going to go back to the vowels and look at them, and we're going to consider them one at a time. So vowels have two forms. They have what they call the independent forms when they are shown in a word by themselves, or they have a abbreviated form when they are used in along with the consonant. It says they are used in place of an unwritten inherent vowel at all other times. As we know, the inherent vowel of a consonant is a, like in the ka, but that can be changed to ka or ki or ku, ke, all those things, and we will cover them as we go along. So let's move on now to cover each vowel one at a time.